Air conditioning and heating. Press the main button to switch on the air conditioning. We see on the display the indication on. By pressing the middle touch button, then the plus button, and then the middle touch button again, our options appear on the screen. Select the ice icon for cooling and the sun icon for heating. With the touch buttons plus minus, we increase and decrease the temperature. Press the main button to switch off the air conditioning. We see on the display the indication off.